We have read that in glycolysis, two 3 carbon molecules, that is pyruvate, are formed from a glucose molecule. Further oxidation of pyruvate takes place in the mitochondrial matrix in eukaryotes and in cytosol in case of prokaryotes. In the mitochondrial matrix, pyruvate is oxidized into acetyl coenzyme A. Pyruvate oxidation is the junction between glycolysis and the citric acid cycle. It is a charged molecule, so in eukaryotic cells, it enters the mitochondrion with the help of a transport protein. The conversion of pyruvate into acetyl coenzyme A is catalyzed by a highly organized multi-enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. And it is an oxidative decarboxylation process. That is, in the reaction, the carboxyl group of pyruvate is lost as carbon dioxide. And the remaining two carbons form the acetyl moiety of acetyl coenzyme A. This is a highly exergonic and an irreversible process and results in the formation of NADH. Pyruvate dehydrogenase complex consists of three enzymes: pyruvate dehydrogenase, that is E1, dihydrolipoyl transacetylase, that is E2, and dihydrolipoyl dehydrogenase, that is E3. Along with these three enzymes, pyruvate oxidation also requires TPP, that is thymine pyrophosphate, lipoic acid, FAD, NAD+, and most importantly, coenzyme A. Pyruvate dehydrogenase, that is E1, first catalyzes the decarboxylation of pyruvate, producing hydroxyethyl TPP. Hydroxyethyl TPP is then oxidized to an acetyl group. The electrons released due to this oxidation reduces the disulfide bond of lipoic acid, which is bound to E2, that is dihydrolipoyl transacetylase enzyme. And the acetyl group is transferred to the sulfhydryl group of the reduced lipoic acid, resulting in the formation of a thioester linkage. E2 then catalyzes the transfer of acetyl group to coenzyme A, forming acetyl coenzyme A. E3, that is the dihydrolipoyl dehydrogenase, then regenerates the disulfide bond of lipoic acid. Electrons released are passed to FAD and then to NAD+, resulting in the formation of NADH. Thus, from each pyruvate molecule, one molecule of NADH is formed.